Hello, Katie here from Katie's World, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of what is included in my Pictures with Santa page kit. If you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video. There will be a link where you can purchase this kit along with other fun project kits I have in my online Etsy shop. So this kit includes a 2-page layout. Each page measures 12 by 12. In your kit, you will receive full color step-by-step instructions, as well as some additional larger printed photos to help in your paper piecing. You will receive two 12 by 12 solid sheets. You will need to trim off the barcode to trim it down so it measures 12 by 12. You will also receive the decorative background papers. And there are step-by-step instructions on how to trim these down. These may need to be trimmed down a little bit in the length. So be sure to read those instructions before putting it together. Your photo mats are already pre-measured and pre-cut for you. You don't have to do anything other than glue these down. The larger pieces in your kit are loose, and the smaller pieces come individually wrapped per image. And there are some really tiny pieces, so be sure to try not to lose those if you can. If you don't see it, check under a piece. Sometimes they're hiding under there. See how tiny that is? My goodness. So anyway, but yes, if you happen to lose or misplace any pieces, feel free to message me and I will help you out there. I do hope you check out my shop. I have lots of fun projects for you. I do page kits as well as mini album kits. There's always something new and fun. Also, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. There are links below this video for those as well. I always post sneak peeks of upcoming projects. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.